Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the LOL SIPT error and solve the failed to receive platform.
Fix 1. Restart Riot Client. Step 1. Close LOL and Riot Client completely. Step 2. Open Task Manager and make sure no Riot processes are running. Step 3. Open Riot Client again and try to play. Fix 2. Check Internet. Step 1. Make sure your Internet is working. Step 2. Use a wired connection if possible. Step 3. Restart your router. Fix 3. Run as admin. Step 1. Right. Click Riot Client shortcut. Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Step 3. Open LOL. Fix 4. Repair LOL. Step 1. Open Riot Client. Step 2. Go to Settings, Gear icon. Step 3. Click Repair and wait.